Welcome everyone. It's Dan back with another unboxing for you guys. Today I got my WWE Slam Crate, so we're gonna open that up. Now, the theme, I forget the theme for it, but I know it includes something with there's a Finn Balor figure. That's all I could really remember what's in it. I forget the themes and everything. That's how long it's been since I looked at it, but we'll just open it up if I could figure out. Oh, here it is. Okay. Couldn't find the sticker. Alright, so we're going to set it aside and we're going to open it. So we'll start off with what I assume is the figure. Yeah. So we got the Finn Balor figure. Let's open it up. Alrighty, now looks pretty nice. It's the Demon King version. It's kind of like the Attitude era where they would give us the rings and everyone included with it. So let's open him up. So yeah, there's the ring, the stand, the turnbuckle, ropes, and here's the figure. Looks like he doesn't have anything attached to him, like special props or anything like that. Just the figure itself, but it's highly detailed. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, we got that. Pretty nice. Alright, now we'll move along. We'll save the shirt for last. Ooh. What is this? This is a Macho Man thing. Is this a hat? It's the Macho Man sunglasses. Oh yeah. Let's see what it is. Yeah, it's like a hat, but I'm not sure. What the hell? Oh, maybe it's a hat and a scarf. Alright, so we'll look at the hat first. That's a nice hat. I like that. That's a cool beanie. I'm gonna put that on right now. Oh yeah. Do the glasses, can they go over the eyes though? Oh, that's cool. The Macho Man, oh yeah, snap into a Slim Jim. That's pretty cool, I like that. And this is a scarf that says, oh yeah. Cool. That's very cool, I like that. So there's that ooh. And then yeah. Pretty nice. I like that. Very good hat. Next we'll start on the pin. It looks like it's the UK Championship, which is cool. That's nice. It's a nice design title. I like it. That's cool. Let's see what else we got here. Bunch of stickers. Stickers for your WWE 2018 planner. Okay, so there's stickers that say Saturday, awesome, legit, a bunch of yes. There's what? Delete, 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 delete. There's you suck for Angle, glorious. There's New Day where they go, whoo, whoo. I think there's one of the gobbledygooker. Let's see. There's a Dean Ambrose one that's ripping off the Joker. It says, do I look like I have a plan? And then there's an Alexa Bliss right next to it, and then give me a hell yeah. I'll let you guys look at those. But that's cool. That's interesting. That's something different that they sent with it. But we'll get started to the next thing, which is the shirt. Ooh, that's a nice shirt. Just tell me, is it glorious? Bobby Roode shirt's pretty nice. So it says, the Roode effect, even more glorious now that I'm victorious. I like that. That's a good saying. But there's the front. And the back has Rude. Right by like the neck here. So good shirt. Very good crate. Next we'll look at the actual box. Okay, the theme was make an entrance. So yeah, there's a Finn Balor sign, a Macho Man sign, and one that says Glorious. Pretty good. Pretty good box. So we'll look at the card for this, see if there's anything we could have gotten different. It looks like everything is the same. That's good. Let's see what the poster is. There's a Finn Balor fax. Now for the actual poster is Naomi. Pretty cool. So we'll look at next month's theme, which is, I'm not sure what I think it's an attitude theme or superstars with attitude, but I show Seth Rollins on there, so I'm gonna definitely stay signed up. I'm gonna get that next crate, do an unboxing for that too. But yeah, that'll be it for this one. I'll see you guys on the flip side. My next unboxing might be I'm not sure actually. I might get a loot crate or the Star Wars box. I still gotta sign up for that. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. But yeah, thanks for checking it out, and peace out.